Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chicken noodle soup with chicken thighs. First, pat your chicken thighs dry and season them well with salt and pepper. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large pot over medium-high heat. Carefully place the chicken thighs skin side down and sear for about 5 to 7 minutes per side until they are beautifully golden brown. This creates a rich, flavorful base for our soup. After removing the chicken, add your diced carrots, celery, and onion to the same pot. Sauté these aromatics for about 5 to 8 minutes until they begin to soften. Next, stir in 2 cloves of minced garlic and cook for just 1 minute until it becomes fragrant. Deglaze the pot with 1/4 cup of white wine or a bit of chicken broth, scraping up any brown bits from the bottom. Now pour in 6 cups of good quality chicken broth. Add a bay leaf and a sprig of fresh thyme to the pot for extra depth of flavor. Bring the soup to a gentle simmer. While the broth is heating, take your seared chicken thighs, which should be cool enough to handle, and shred them into delicious, bite-sized pieces. This makes them perfect for the soup. Finally, add the shredded chicken back into the pot along with 2 cups of your favorite egg noodles. Cook the noodles according to the package directions, which is typically 7 to 10 minutes, until they are tender. Stir in a generous handful of fresh chopped parsley and taste the soup, adjusting salt and pepper as needed. Serve hot and enjoy your comforting homemade chicken noodle soup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.